Welcome to Money Town. What is money? Sometimes we really want something.
But how do we pay?
Long ago, people traded things. Trading didn't always work. So people created money. Money is a tool we use to buy things. We use money every day. Money helps us trade fairly and easily.